Hey guys, this is the bluegrass, how do you say it?
Bushcraft.
Bluegrass Bushcraft family. And me and my brother and my Peppo and my Memo are going fishing at, where are we going?
Natural Bridge.
Natural Bridge, y'all. He's driving. And she's taking pictures on her phone.
It's Colbys' first fishing.
It's Colby's first fishing trip. Baby, say hi.
Fishing, Colby.
Say fishing. Say fishing. Forest. Forest. Say fishing. Forest.
Yeah, we got worms.
Worms. He's saying worms. Okay, so I'll let y'all. I don't know. I'll talk to y'all later. Hey guys, we're fishing right now. Been fishing about good 20 minutes, 30. He's fixing my pole. I broke the hook on a rock, and then my little brother has caught, how many fishes has he caught?
I really don't know.
He's caught like almost 3. I've caught 5. Memo's caught 3. And Peppo's caught 2. And there's a snake. Y'all can't see it, but I'll show you guys later. But we're gonna go swimming after a while in this creek. I'll show you guys in this one, because the other one's where the fishes are, and this one there's no fishes. Well, there's bluegills, but that's not really fishes. But yeah, might catch the bluegills or whatever they are. Might catch some of them. Ew, I got my shoes dirty. Ew. Guys, I got my shoes dirty. Okay, well, here, we're going back to the thing. My shoes are dirty, Peppo. Can you wash them? They're like really dirty and it's annoying. Okay. But I'm gonna go fish right now. Ew. There's a worm. Ew. Okay. We're fishing, guys.
Recording?
Yeah. And I'm recording.
Good fishing.
Yeah. Okay. Well, I'll get back to y'all when we're fishing. I'm back. And we're fishing. Right now, they're over there fishing. We're over here fishing because it's a good fishing spot. Here, have this. He's gonna record, guys. But I haven't been getting that many. I don't think you're getting that many.
Let's try it. Wherever you want. It's like a good spot. Reel it in, buddy. You get one? Oh, you got away.
Yay!
Alright. There, Lexi caught her a bass.
Hey! You got the good one of the day! I got 6! Somebody couldn't stay in. Hold it!
Look there. What's Sissy catch?
Hold it,
Sissy catch a bass?
Smaller.
You want to grab it?
Hold it, Colby.
Grab the line.
Get it back.
Get the line, Colby, up there.
Oh, let him get the fish. Hold your pole up, Lex. Alright, there you go. Grab the line like that. Now look here. Put your finger in his mouth like this. Can you do that? Put your finger in there like that. Alright, you gonna pull the hook out?
No.
Yeah, I think I would.
Yeah. Pull it out. What?
Here, stick your finger in your mouth like that. Hold him like I am. See, pinch him. Pinch his mouth.
Ow.
Here, Lex.
Let me get the hook out.
Let me see it. Let me touch. I'm gonna touch it. Ew, stop. No.
Put your finger in his mouth like that. Pinch his mouth like I am. Put your finger in there. Put your finger in like this. Your thumb. Put your thumb in his mouth.
Ew.
Pinch. Like that.
Throw him in. You're
Alright,
gonna
come on,
kill
let's put
him.
back.
He's like, I'm out of here. Did he get my bird?
What you got, Lex?
I got a little baby fish. Let me see it. Get it off, guys. Pull it. You're going to kill it. Pull it. I'm going to get it off.
What? You gonna get it off this time?
No. Pull it.
Well, let Colby.
Got to get it off. Ew, the worm. I don't put the worm in it.
Pick it up. Grab the line. Grab the line.
It can't
Rick,
breathe.
grab the line. Well, come on, we gotta get it back in the water.
It can't breathe.
Hand it here.
It's a little baby. It can't breathe.
Hand it here.
Hurry, baby.
Hold the line, Colby.
Hurry, you waiting. No, it's gonna die. Okay, not that bad.
All right, there it went. What are you doing, Colby? What are you doing, buddy? What are you doing? Look here. Are you having fun? Are you having fun? Ready? Are you having fun? Yeah. Don't let Mama see that. Don't look, Mom. Don't look, Mama. Did you get your head wet? Do it again. Show us what she's doing. You got it made in the shade.
Wait! Did you see that? Is my hair okay? East. There's something in there. I don't know what it is. It looks like a phone.
You can try. Yep. Go find the little flat ones.
the seashell?
Look.
Found one already.
Ready?
Look.
Yeah.
Ready? Ready, set, turtle.
What, you want to find a turtle?
I think turtle.
All right, that's as far as you go. Robert. Cool. Please don't take him off by that swing set.
No, I don't like your shoes.
I brought some shoes.
What happened to you, Melissa?
Something got slung through the air.
Something? Like what?
Come on, my milkshake is on.
Is that good?
Shit, they can take a shower now. Alright, you got more clothes. Go rinse it out. That better not be Colbys.